Hello viewers, today I'll show you how you can install xampp on Windows 11. So it's a simple process. You have to search for xampp download. Then you will find their main website apachefriends.org. Go to this website, then you will find the download buttons according your needs. You can download it. It is a 3 version you can use for Windows 8.0.28, 8.1.17, and here is the latest version 8.2.4. here you can use PHP 8.2.4, or if you are using Linux you can download it from here, or if you are a Mac or Mac user or OS X user, you can download it from here. So as I am using Windows, I will download the latest version from here. I will click on here. After clicking on download, it will be it will start automatically. It will start download. If it does not start automatically, you have to click here. So in my case it's not downloading automatically, so I have to click here. So I click here, and now I have to click here to start download. Now you have to wait 5 seconds. Now here I can see it started download. Now I can close this tab, and it's downloading. So it is 149 MB, so it will take 2-3 it will take 5 minutes. So let's pause the video for 5 minutes. Here we going to finish our download. So I will make a video how you can install WordPress with xampp in localhost. I will post it after this video. So subscribe my channel for next videos, and you can turn on the bell icon so you will get notification for my future updates. So here you can see here our xampp installer that we have been downloaded now. So you have to double click on it. Okay, now here you can see. okay, they are giving a warning or message. We have to click on OK. If you get any message like that, you have to click on OK. Now click on next and then again next. Here you can set the path for this xampp installation. I will keep it default, then I will go for next. Okay, the installation showing me I already have a folder named xampp. That's why I have to delete this file or folder. So I'm deleting this folder, then I will continue again. So now I can go for next, and you can choose the language, then click on next, again next, and boom, this is started to install. So simple. But I am showing if someone don't know how to install or how to work with xampp, I will show that for them, not for who already know that how to use xampp. So you have to wait few minutes. Let pause it, so it will save your time. I will come back when installing is going to be finished. And our install is going to be finished. Here you can see it's getting an installer, and everything just need to it's need 1 or 2 3 minutes. Here you can see we have complete the installation. So now click on finish, and it will open the control panel. Here is the control panel of xampp. You can search for xampp control panel, or you just search for xampp. You will see the xampp control panel. Here is our xampp control panel, and here we have the modules, Apache modules, MySQL modules. We can start it by clicking on start, and also we can stop it with stop button. So that's it, how you can easily install xampp on your Windows 11. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my video. Thank you.